You got?
Look what Mommy has. Ooh, yum.
Is it good? Is it good? He's like a professional.
You're getting a lot of it out of the mouth, though, aren't you?
What do you think, Elliot? What do you think? Is it good? Mmm. He's grunting. Mmm. I know as soon as I shut off this camera, he's going to say again.
Ready? This is messy.
What is that, Elliot? What is that?
Give me more, Mommy.
Hitting the tray.
All right, I think we're about done.
Is that all gone? All done?
It's not all gone.
What do you think, Elliot? More? He opens his mouth right up for it. He's chewing it.
I know.